am at flat 7, Bounsalls Court. It is a 1-bedroom flat on the ground floor, and it has, as you can see behind me, you've got a living room. I'm standing in the kitchen. It's a nice bit of space. You've got room for your table as well. And there's a one bedroom, which is a double bedroom with a fitted wardrobe. You've also got a bathroom that you can use, and you have parking. There's parking here for one car, but you can fit 2 in the space because it's quite a wide space, and you're a stone's throw from the town, so really convenient. If you'd like to find out more, have a look at the rest of this video and then call the office and arrange a viewing.